Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Pandabuy. So to use Pandabuy, it's pretty simple. So here I'm in my iOS device and we have Pandabuy. So to use Pandabuy is pretty simple. Open up your Pandabuy and then you'll have to create an account as usual. So for making an account, of course, you'll see here that you will have to confirm where you live and all these. So once you have done that, all you have to do is search a keyword product or a shop, or you can paste the link with Pandabuy right here from Taobao or other website that supports Pandabuy. So here we're gonna look for Jordans, for example, or AF1 shoes, for example. So as we can see here, it's gonna load up using your 1688 or your Taobao. So here, once you have scrolled and selected your desired product, so here it will say a risk reminder, and here that, oh wait, let's just see, and let's go with this one instead. So there you go. All you have to do is buy now, select the classification. So let's say we want this, and shoe size. So you have to agree to those before purchasing, of course. From there, all you have to do is submit this and read the terms and conditions, and this will go to your checkout. So here in your checkout, it's gonna go back to your payment actually. So mine's not working as of the moment. So here we'll go and check out our orders. So here you have payment pending. You can select all, combine all your payments if you want to check out in bulk. So here it's gonna redirect you to another page where you can pay with PayPal or so on and so forth, credit card or debit card. So there it will confirm it's pending, and now it's gonna go to ordering. From there, you can check in your warehouse. Once it's done, in your warehouse, you can search the item that you want to be delivered to your house directly. So there you go guys, that is how to use Pandabuy in your phone. You can also do this in your desktop, of course. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.